Sasha and I are here at the main Edible Acres site, Edible Acres 1, in one of a million super complex guild areas. This one in particular, we're digging up Jerusalem artichokes or sunchokes, and specifically this is a patch called Red Fuseau. And so we're going through and digging these up, and we were just chatting and we thought, it's worth pausing here and making a video about this. In the spring, when I was here digging up for sunchokes, I noticed that over last winter, so the 2017 into 2018 winter, that voles had gone through this sunchoke patch and hammered it to such a point that in an attempt to fulfill spring orders, I had a hard time finding any sunchokes that were in good enough shape to dig up. So I just kind of gave up on this patch, and I thought, I'm just going to give it time, figure it out. Sunchokes are resilient, maybe some will come back. Here we are in the fall, and it is one of the largest crops that I've seen here since 2009, when I first put in, believe it or not, 4 pieces of Jerusalem artichoke into direct lawn in 2009. What I think happened was that over winter, voles found this patch and just absolutely went to town on it. There was a deep mulch here, and they brought their kids here, their partners, they set up shop, and this whole last winter they just ate as many as they possibly could. Most likely, they burrowed super deep and thoroughly, they decompacted the soil. In the process of living here, they pooped and peed, they shed hair, some died. So in other words, they injected a tremendous amount of nutrient into this and left in the spring what seemed like a trashed garden bed. Very easy for me to come back from that and say, well, now we got to get these voles, figure this out, trap them, poison them, how do we get rid of the voles so we have a sunchoke patch? But it responded with incredible vigor this year. The takeaway lesson I'm getting from this, and this is what both Sasha and I were saying, is whenever you can afford the time to truly live into the observe and interact, we actually give it a full season to see what is the ramification of these beings coming in here and doing what they're doing. Could be that there's symbiosis and they're farming with us too. So this winter, if we see vole activity here, we can take it as a sign that there'll be a reduced crop for us for a little while, but a huge increase in the future. We'll watch it as it goes, but so far all I feel like I can say is thank you, voles. We're really glad you came and hung out with us and had hopefully a very warm and lovely winter.